Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on the boardwalk in front of the Showboat Hotel and Arcade, I guess you can call it. I'm gonna head inside. I haven't been in there in a while. I think the water park is closed, so that'll be a separate video sometime in the future. I could be wrong though. If I can get in, I'll get in. We're gonna check out the Lucky Snake Arcade as well as the go-karts and other things that might be going on inside. Let's head inside and check out the Showboat, shall we? Right off the bat, I want to let you guys know I did get into Island Water Park, but it was in the process of closing. I made it about halfway through and they asked me to leave, and of course I'm going to respect that. But I will tell you guys, I am looking into staying at the Showboat for 2 nights. They have some really good rates right now. It includes cheap rates as well as discounts on the park and discounts in the arcade and stuff like that. So it's something I'm currently looking into, and hopefully I'll be able to pull that off in the next month or two, and I will bring you a video on that stay here at the Showboat as well as a full tour of the water park, but you're going to get a good look at it tonight as well. Somewhere in the recent past, Bricker's Burgers changed their name to B&B Burger Bar. Again, I had a full day in Atlantic City. It's kind of late in the evening, so some of these places and attractions you're going to see are closed or closing. Here we have Ace, otherwise known as Atlantic City Eatery. It has a bar. There are several bars here in the Showboat. Some rock climbing if you're into that. This area near the front has a bar which is currently closed, as well as a stage for live entertainment which is currently closed. I've seen them both open, and you've seen them in my Super Bowl and Christmas videos. This place can get pretty hopping, so just wanted to let you know that. I'm looking forward to Christmas because this place really goes all out, especially on the boardwalk. Very beautiful. This is the Lucky Snake Pinball Gallery, somewhat new to the Lucky Snake Arcade, and everything is on and working here. I just had some hot dogs on my Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. This is that bar and live entertainment stage area I was talking about. Nothing really going on here tonight. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. some rather large and pretty impressive arcade games. It's nowhere near Easter, but we can pretend, right? So there was signage here for the Seashore Seafood Pop-Up All-You-Can-Eat Seafood Buffet. Now I know they have one in the summertime outside next to this building, but I didn't know there was one inside, but then it was closed and there's nowhere on their website anything about this seafood buffet, so I'm just wondering if they just put some signage up and it's not really there. I have no idea. And here's another bar near one of the entrances to the Lucky Snake Arcade, and a 4-lane mini bowling alley. Hey, a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Captain Morgan in my latest cruise video, the Norwegian Cruise Line Gems excursion to Megan's Beach in St. Thomas. It's a great video. Congratulations, Robert. The Showboat also has a roller rink, a bumper car area, as well as a indoor mini golf course. Lots to choose from here for the family. Meanwhile, we're heading towards that water park, and had I known it was closing, I would have done that first. But hey, it is what it is, right? I got a good part of it, so we'll see that shortly. I'm not a golfer. I have no patience for golfers whatsoever, but I'm a pretty good putter, so what do you say we play around, and whoever has the highest score, which would be the loser, buys me a drink at one of these bars? Sounds good to me. So there's no attendant here. You just pick the color ball you want. My favorite color is orange. Some of you know that. I'd hate to get stuck with blue balls. And then you pick your putter and start the game. Here's where you get your island water park tickets. You just pay here, you get a wristband, and then you make your way to the park. How do you get there? Well, follow me. That's Bart Blatstein, the owner of the Showboat, calling his office wondering why he has to pay for drinks. I don't know what's in that thermos, but this woman is obviously disoriented. She's trying to get a tan in the hotel corridor. I put $1 in this Zoltar machine, made famous by the movie Big with Tom Hanks, and Zoltar told me that I would soon be kicked out of a water park. He's pretty good. Here's the Showboat reception area. I lost count on mannequins here. Are you counting? We're heading towards the Island Water Park, and I think we're trying for a Las Vegas Bellagio theme here with that stained glass ceiling. Here we have the Island Bar, yet another bar here at the Showboat, and there's the residence at Showboat. From what I understand, people could live here. I'm not sure if anyone actually does, but there's mailboxes and stuff set up, so who knows? I feel like a salmon upstream. The park is closing and everyone's leaving, and I'm trying to get in. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, why not subscribe to the New York channel, and while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. There's a lot of details here that wasn't missed by me, including the surfboards hanging from the ceiling naming all the Jersey Shore towns. Now that the summer's over, the hours here at the water park have changed. I believe they're only open 4 days a week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. The prices have dropped significantly since opening, and they also have season passes now. Of course, all this will change depending upon the business that they're doing, holidays, and of course, when summer comes back, everything will probably go back to where it was last year. Well, I'm about to get kicked out because this place is officially closed, and I've only seen half of it. There's restaurants here as well as an adult area with bars and stuff, but I'll be back shortly. Just like the pinball machines in the pinball gallery, the arcade games here seem to change often, and for the better. The Lucky Snake arcade has quickly become a favorite on the boardwalk, not only to kids, but to adults as well. Arcade games are becoming quite popular here in Atlantic City. It all started here with the Showboat, but Tropicana has one. Harrah's just opened a large one, not as large as Lucky Snake here, but theirs just opened a few days ago. Dave & Buster's is coming into town on Atlantic Avenue. A lot of people forget about the smaller arcade in between Bally's and the Claridge. Lots going on here as far as arcades are concerned. And here we have Showboat's Raceway. Not too many takers right now. Well guys, you have to admit, Showboat has come a long way in the past 2 years. It used to be just a shell of a building not too long ago. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just give a click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, guys. Well, that's it guys for the Showboat. Made it pretty much halfway through the park, the water park that is, and then I got kicked out. It was closed. But I hope you enjoyed the tour. I haven't been in there in a while. It's looking much more busier, so good for the Showboat. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the New York channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.